Hey, that's Mike and Holly, Alex, Eddie, and Kelsey.
Yes,
Christmas, Christmas. We're headed to the Wonder Shop at Target. You gotta wait for us. Oh, I'm already seeing some.
Oh, this is Mommy and Daddy's Christmas one. We'll come back and look at
Oh, this is gonna be dangerous. She went straight for the camper. Look at how cute.
I wonder if it connects to the truck.
It looks like it might light up. Maybe not. Yeah.
No.
Oh yeah, does it connect to the
Nope,
truck?
there's no trailer.
Nope, there's no hitch.
But you can put them together.
It's so super cute.
trio, but stuck on it.
Yeah, it's... Oh my gosh. Oh, look at I like the little bird in the puffy coat.
I like that.
That's so cute. Oh my gosh.
It says joy.
That's pretty. Snow globes.
Her blow up, so I think there's.
Chelsea is obsessed with blow-ups. I don't think so. No, not yet. No blow-ups yet, just light up things. She's obsessed with blow-ups. We already have one though too. Those are pretty. They look like ice, snow. All right, so we like the little ones too.
So we have the little version
They have a
plus
Woody.
the car.
Oh, that's so cool. Chelsea's obsessed with the
Oh.
trees. Oh, it's almost like a little village. Oh, Chelsea found a light up tree. That's pretty. Wreaths, trees. This one actually looks kind of real. It looks pretty good.
Oh,
Looks like
real,
no, you gotta have a real.
Oh.
Wow, they don't usually have this many wreaths to choose from. What?
The silver one.
That's not silver, it's like rose gold. Oh, those are cute. This would be fun, like on the front porch. Where's the music coming from? Oh, the next aisle? Tree toppers. Okay, they have way more stuff this year than they ever have.
Because it just all went out and nobody's taken it all yet.
We had one just like this when I was a kid.
Oh, look at that. That's drippy.
Oh, that's kind of cute. Reminds me of like bubblegum balls. It's
One of
pretty.
those mirror ones.
Look at the ones that reflect on the ceiling.
Wow.
I
Every
like
year
that.
something new and
Something different. Bunch of different stars. Oh my gosh. Oh, sparkly trees. We always like these ornaments in these bins. They're always so cute. Oh, I wish I could make something like that. That looks cute. Little dancing fuzzy animals. Ooh, those are really
Woolly
cool.
mammoth.
Woolly mammoth, giraffe.
Boom, boom.
I like the giraffe. And a lion. They're like soft. Realistic looking too. What'd you find?
The reindeers.
For the
Reindeers.
superhero person.
That's cool.
Wham! Pow!
Those are neat.
Look.
And then
What
just
else
some
is
letters.
there? Letters for your name. Oh, Christmas sweater with bells. That's cute.
Bam!
Bam.
Ba-bam. I'm gonna show this one to Chelsea. Look.
I know I saw it when it
Oh, she's like, I know, I saw it.
Look at
Oh
this
no,
one.
I dropped it.
the egg and I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
You don't
it
know
was
what that
so
is? That's
cute.
bacon.
What else do they have? Is that a ham?
Bacon.
That's a ham.
Pineapple rocker! Rah!
Oh my goodness. Those are so cute. Cactus. Chelsea. They got ice cream cones. These are squishies, guys. What's a squishy?
Squishy ones.
Yeah. Cheeseburger. Walter
Oh!
Walrus. I
That
know.
looks so real.
It does. Even that one looks real. Christmas Yeti.
That's cool.
Isn't that adorable?
Merry Christmas. Jingle bells, jingle bells.
And you hang it on the wall.
She's dancing.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I have this book.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
He's singing to you.
What fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
It dances like you do.
Got a face on it. Remember that one from last year? We were at Macy's and kept playing that one. Dancing
Oh, really?
Something.
Look at it spins.
Oh. This tree's spinning.
Yeah, this tree is spinning.
Oh, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus.
I like that.
There you go, if you don't want the truck.
The wooden deer. Oh, that's cute. That would go along with our decor. Here, show it. The camera was blurry. That's cute.
Just wood.
Did you see this?
That's neat.
I really like that. And they got letters. Oh, did you see this one? It's like almost like a toy truck. And there's a Woody. Oh, I like that one.
We'll just get Santa to decorate our tree.
No kidding. In the front of the house. All right, call Santa. See what he's got to say.
Ho, ho, ho. This is Santa speaking. Are you excited for Christmas? It's my favorite time of the year. Ho, 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 ho. I'll be coming soon. Bye-bye.
Bye. Santa's coming.
All right. Oh my goodness. Get him, Charles. Get him. Charge him. Let her get you. Come back this way.
Let her get me.
Yeah, let her get you. Okay, let her get a good shot in. Get him. Girl, go after him. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. The confusion is real. She's like, I want to play on the surfboard.
Instead of her turning around, she turns the thing around.
Oh, that's
Get
smart.
on. Ready? Surf. Surf, dude.
Right in the waves.
Big one.
And now you're going to have to buy it and do that at home. Uh-huh. See what you started? Are you writing your letter to Santa?
Santa just mailed me something.
He mailed
he
you
mail you?
something? What did he mail you?
What?
What did he mail you?
Mailed me a snowball.
Oh, little snowballs. It looks like those fell off this wreath. He mailed them to you all the way from the North Pole?
He's gonna mail me something else.
Oh, he's going to mail you that too? You might have to get a little mailbox just to play with like that, huh? That's pretty cute. Flag goes up. Nice.
Oh, Santa mailed me something.
Came to the mall real quick just to return some stuff, and we have to ride the escalator up and down.
We didn't need to go upstairs.
We didn't need to. There's a good look at the Santa display. Kiss her. Kiss her, kiss her, kiss her, kiss her.
Whiny baby. Whiny baby. It's time for the question of the day. Today's question comes from AnnaMaze, and the question is, what room do you love / spend the most time in your house? I'll start by saying it's kind of like maybe two different. Oh my goodness. Okay, what room do I love the most? I really love.
Is it two different questions?
Well, no, it says the way I'm interpreting it is it's not. It's the same question. It says love, spend, but I think I love a different room, but spend more time in a different room, in another room. I probably spend the most time in the kitchen. Seems like I'm always in there cleaning up messes.
And getting Chelsea food.
And I do love the kitchen, but I want to say I don't know that it's necessarily my favorite. I really do like the game room and the master, but I don't spend as much time in there as I do in the kitchen. I spend the most time in the kitchen, but I do love the kitchen as well. So it's kind of like I don't really have like a straightforward answer. What about you?
Well, I probably do spend the most time here in the living room.
And is it your favorite? Probably.
No, the toy room, that's okay. I don't know.
It's just okay.
It's just alright.
Like I guess the living room because that's where the TV is.
Nice.
Priorities.
I don't know. I like garage. I don't spend any time in there. And
You just like having a garage,
having a
though.
garage.
Like that we can park in.
Living room, living room.
Living room.
Spend the most time here. I like.
I know what's going to happen. Everybody's going to be like, what's your least favorite after this? So maybe, I don't know, we might make
I
that
don't
up.
know if I have a least favorite. What do I say? The one closet upstairs that looks at me.
Oh,
funny.
yeah. Like, probably the room you spend the least amount of time in then.
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead and answer what one you love and spend the most time in.
Probably the game room or my room, because the game room has a big TV in it.
Yeah, that's where Alex watches TV, movies, things like that.
Yep.
And you do spend a lot of time in your room. You can typically
I
find
do
Alex in
is-
one or the other.
I suppose I spend the most time in my room because what I do is, since the sun comes in this way, you get kind of a glare on the TV. So once the sun goes down, I go in the game room and
Yeah,
watch TV.
I can go watch TV now.
The rest of the
sun's
day, I just go up in my room and read or whatever.
We need to do something about that because we have curtains up there, and then afterwards we realized that it does help a lot, but we should have done darkening shades or something for in there.
Blinds in various places, and it still
It still
doesn't
gets
help.
through, yeah. I don't know, tinfoil. People do that, right? Put tinfoil on the inside of their windows.
They're leaving it.
Cardboard. We're gonna have like cardboard on the inside of our windows. Okay, so we want to know from you guys, what room do you love / spend the most time in your house? It could be the same room, it could be 2 different rooms, because that's kind of what we did. So tell us down in the comments below.